need to watch this video until the very end because I'm actually going to give you this revolutionary ancient recipe today. You can actually find all the ingredients you need at any grocery store. You might even have them in your house right now. And the tea works like magic. You feel full, satisfied, and energized almost instantly. And your body will actually activate its natural ability to burn fat. With the help of this amazing red tea recipe, you will never feel hungry. The old rules of fat loss will be dumped in the trash can where they belong. This red tea and the simple-to-follow detox plan that goes with it are rooted in sound scientific principles. Its fat cell shrinking effects are based on scientific research, and the latest discoveries in how fat burn is related to stress, proper hormone levels, adequate sleep, nutrition, and other aspects of the body's physiology. At 5 counterintuitive principles of weight loss that traditional methods just don't cover. New fat shrinking rule number 1. Eat more, weigh less. The old rules of dieting have been telling you to eat less, so you end up feeling deprived and starving with tiny portions. Forget about that. Losing weight is not about deprivation. It's all about detoxing your body and eating superfoods that burn up quickly, revving up your metabolism, so you sizzle off calories all day and all night long. I'll show you how to detox and lose unwanted fat without willpower. You will eat more and weigh less. New fat shrinking rule number 2. Reduce stress, lose fat. This new rule is about reducing your chronically high stress levels, a critical part of losing weight. Your stress is holding your body back. Very few people truly understand how chronically high stress levels do serious harm to maintaining proper levels of fat burning and fat storing hormones, which are required for releasing and burning excess fat. One study from the University of Florida found that chronic stress actually causes your body to start producing a protein called beta-trophin. When this special compound is in your body, it brings critical fat-burning enzymes to a complete standstill. That's just one critical reason why what you're about to discover is so revolutionary when it comes to safe and sustainable fat loss. By working with your fat cells instead of fighting against them. Not only that, but how this red tea recipe found deep in the heart of Africa not only reduces stress, it also stimulates your body's natural systems to work together and burn more fat in less time. So now you know that stress is a huge reason for your excess fat. But here's another big one too. New fat shrinking rule number 3. Eliminate toxins, drop pounds. Did you know most processed food that is on the grocery store shelves contains harmful substances? Most food manufacturers just don't give a damn that their food products are contributing to sickness and death for millions of people, even though they know for a fact how dangerous these chemicals really are. The common food toxins found in processed foods include nitrates in processed luncheon meats, omega-6 fatty acids in oils from cottonseed, and herbicides in conventionally grown produce and grain. When combined, all these toxic factors can result in low levels of fat-burning hormones and high levels of fat-storing hormones. And this dreaded combination can sabotage your fat loss and ruin your chances at having the slender body you want. This is why you've had such a hard time losing weight, even though you do everything right. No amount of exercise and dieting can help you lose weight if your hormones are preventing you from getting the body you deserve. These toxins are making it impossible for you to lose weight. New fat shrinking rule number 4. Rebalance hormones, release stored fat. Due to cutting-edge research, we now know that the hormone noradrenaline may hold the key to unlocking fat cells and shrinking them. It's what causes the action of the incredible shrinking fat cell. In a landmark study at the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, scientists discovered that toxic molecules can accumulate in the space between cells and can cause them to be larger in size, meaning the more toxins you have around your fat cells, the bigger they'll become. New fat shrinking rule number 5. Exercise less, lose more weight. Scientists have made astonishing discoveries, and a recent breakthrough is something scientists call the exercise sweet spot. Your sweet spot is the exercise intensity level where the full fat-burning power of your body is unleashed, so your body draws on fat stores for fuel. You are not exercising harder. You are exercising smarter. Do this right, and fat layers under your skin vanish and excess pounds disappear. Most people are eating too little and exercising too much, and this actually works against fat loss. When you're overstressed, your body's ability to make enough fat-burning hormone rapidly declines. When you're stressed out, burning excess fat is even harder. With the Red Tea Detox, losing weight does not have to be difficult. When you're on the Red Tea Detox, you'll be shifting from carbohydrate burning to high-octane fat burning. With the 5 unique ingredients that work together in perfect harmony so that almost every one of them loses up to 14 pounds in just 14 days. They drink this delicious tea to block uncontrollable hunger and cravings, prevent mood changes and irritability caused by low blood sugar, eliminate rebound weight gain triggered by skipping meals, and boost energy levels with no mid-afternoon energy slumps. The Red Tea Detox program is built from more than 5 years of research spanning more than 500 medical studies. So through today's special offer only, you're going to get immediate access to everything for a one-time, single, secure investment of only $37. That's an incredible 95% discount. Act now, as this offer, or even this product, will not be available forever. It's time to go ahead and click the Add to Cart button below. You've heard from just a handful of the thousands of people who've proved this is the one thing that worked to lose all the weight they wanted. In just 14 days from now, you can have similar results, just like Amanda, Dan, Melissa, and Emily did. From this to this, and lose 41 pounds of ugly fat without being hungry, you can too.